Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to build this Lego butterfly knife. Yeah, and I call it the trickster. I have built it. Yeah, I got it. I got an ID from the Lego Badass Weapons from the set. Yeah, I got an ID. Yeah, so we start making it because this is the tutorial of it. Yeah, so enjoy. Yeah, so here's the pieces you need. If you can see. Yeah. So we start building. Yeah. So we start building this. And we start here. So. And place it so, and so. Yeah, and you place that so. No, wait. So and place this so. No, wait. Place this so, and that's so, and that's so. Yeah. So now we build the handles. Now we're gonna build the first handle. Yeah. Keep it so. So and so. Place so. So. Make this. Yeah, here. And the second hand. Yeah, so here. So. And yeah, and place them two over here. Yeah, yeah. So now we place in together it. Yeah. So here we have this, and let's place it. Yeah, so, and like so. And here we have it. The Lego butterfly knife. The trickster. Yeah? So, have fun with it. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more Lego creations, and yeah, see you in the next video.